Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to use goniometer to measure the range of motion of wrist supination. So patient's gonna be seated position, and then the patient's gonna put his arms on the table at the 90 degree like that, and then I'm gonna have him to hold the pen like this, and then the X is gonna be on the middle finger, and then stationary arm is gonna be perpendicular to the floor, and then moving arm is gonna be aligned with the pen. So I'm gonna have him other way. Yep, supination. And make sure his arm's not like lifting or like try not to cheat. Okay, thank you. And he has about 92 degree.